YouTube, what is up? You guys enjoyed that progression video so much, I had to run it back for you guys. So these are 3 more steps to progression that can help you on your journey. Tip number 1, you have to stop comparing yourself to other people, to other skaters, the hometown hero, because you're your own worst enemy. What I mean when I say that is the only competition that actually matters is between you and yourself, unless you're in an actual contest. It's you versus you and nobody else. The hometown hero, they're actually that good for 2 reasons. 1 is either natural talent or 2, work ethic. How much work are you willing to put in? I mean, you're watching this video, so that's already a step in the right direction. Go ahead and subscribe so you can get the rest of the keys. You can't always get natural talent. That's something you're born with. Either you have it or you don't, but you can always work hard enough to feel good about your skating. Recently, I watched Creed 3. There's a part in the movie where the trainer is asking him,
"You see that man right there? Do you remember him? You gotta block out everything and be in the moment. Not the past, not the future, right now."
The main character is staring in a mirror, basically saying the world has changed a lot since you've been gone. But the one thing that hasn't changed is your opponent. Your opponent is always yourself. As long as you're besting yourself, then you're good. You should film yourself or get someone to film you and watch the footage. If you can see what you're doing wrong, you're gonna progress that much faster. Ooh. Basketball players, football players, soccer players, tennis players are all watching footage of whoever the opponent may be or themselves. They can see what they're doing wrong and they're gonna progress that much faster. I watch the footy back, sometimes over and over. Sometimes when I'm just sitting there at the session and I can't get a trick, I'll film it, watch what I did. Shortly after that, I will land the trick. This is something I'm just bringing to your attention that can help you progress. Yo! Fuck yeah! Oh God! The next step to progression, and you're just not getting it. Practice, practice, practice. You have to make sure you're putting in the work. When you were taking the time to practice properly. Watching tutorials or whatever you need to do to learn the trick properly the first time, and then every time after that, even when you step away, it's gonna come back that much easier. Skating is a lot like fighting. Majority of the time, the best technique always wins. Every once in a while, power and style out-finesses technique, but technique always remains a factor and stays the same. If you got value from this content today, please subscribe. It's your boy Ernie Creates, and I'm out of here. Peace!